Making a gate out of upcycled and repurposed materials. Well, good morning, YouTube. Coming to you from the messy garage here. Got multiple projects going, but thought I'd start a new one. My friend gave me some bed frames from his kids' beds. He didn't want to just throw them away. He knew that maybe I could put it to use, and to be completely honest, I didn't even really want it when he gave it to me. I was like, man, I'm just trying to get rid of some stuff. And lo and behold, not even a week later, him giving it to me, I figured out, well, maybe I can just build a gate out of this stuff. I don't need it to be holding up, hundreds of pounds of weight of a gate or anything. It's just going to be enough to kind of keep the goats out of the garden area from this space right here. So this is, I just kind of laid it out here, and these are the other parts of the frame. I'm not going to be able to use all of it, but and this is an old grate that I'm trying to get rid of right now, so it's just kind of in my way, but I'm going to use it as a tabletop for now. I'm just going to see if we can't make this work. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Just a good way to upcycle some stuff, keep this out of the landfill, and it's good metal, you know. I should mention that even the wire fencing that I'm using here was found rolled up on the side of the road. So this is basically all recycled materials. Okay, upcycled an old bed frame into a gate. And this stuff was just gonna end up in the trash or something. Or how it, I guess he could have put it on Marketplace or something, but better for me to have a gate.